Hi folks, Simon at Vans today. Thought I'd give you a little video of what's going on here at HQ. There's a few changes about. Those of you that have been here before will remember we used to have this side. That is now Dirty Weekenders' new headquarters. And so coming to us as you normally would, forecourt's looking quite full at the moment. A few sold vehicles waiting to go out. Plenty waiting for new owners. Nice little new shape custom there, 19990. Good van those are. Nice 9,000 mile Renault Traffic. Lovely grey transporter. No VAT Vauxhall combo and a nice delivery mileage. A little Peugeot e-Expert electric there. So entrance is still in via our old doors, and then this is where you'll see a bit of change, because for those of you that have been here before, you'll remember you used to come into our office here, and then the rest of the showroom used to be Dirty Weekenders. So this is now going to be obviously our whole unit, and there's a bit of work going on. So the idea is that this will be partly showroom and then partly workshop. Little crew room in there for the lads. Over here will be where our new roller shutter door will be going in at some point in the next 4 weeks, hopefully. Customer toilets are still here. That will be sectioned off, mind you. And you'll drive in through the roller shutters, and in front of you will be our new 5-ton ramp. So we'll be bringing prep in-house. So any budding mechanics or expert mechanics out there that are after a bit of a change, give us a shout. New racking's just gone in this week. Obviously we're just still trying to sort that out at the moment. All of those parts have got to be itemised before they go on the shelving. Lovely 2026 delivery mileage Renault Traffic red edition there, by the way. What a cracking van. A couple of scooters for sale down on the end there. The grey one and the blue one are for sale. Not Trav's little Vespa. Those are, well, you never know. If you make me the right offer, they might be for sale. We've got about as far as here with the decorating. And as you can see, we're not even halfway with the flooring yet, but probably come to a bit of a standstill with that until we get all of this sorted. But lovely job that isn't. And there we go. Oh, I suppose you might want to see where our new office is. So at the moment you'll still be accessing us through those doors. As I say, roller shutters will be going in over here, and then this is currently the new office. Oh, what a guy, what a guy. Hopefully get a window in here so we can see what's going on, because at the moment it's very enclosed, but yeah, quite nice. And there we are. So as you can see, a big work in progress still, lots of mess. Give us a few weeks, hopefully we'll get there. Let me know what you think. Ciao.